Right. What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be making a wine festival schedule. Now, this is a project that we'll be doing using HTML and HTML tables. And before I do get started, I want to say if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It does help me out a lot, and I do appreciate your support. Um, but without further ado, let's get right into this. So in this project, we're going to be practice practicing tabular organization in HTML so that we can hone our skills and feel confident taking them to the real world. And if you have data on a web page, you have to master the skill of effectively and aesthetically organizing it. An HTML table is perfect for that solution. Now, here's what to expect. We can simply just check off projects as we complete each one. We do have an AI generated hint bot to help us, and this isn't an exam, so we can use other resources. But without further ado, let's get into it. So we already have the starting code right here, the CSS, the index.html. So I'm not going to worry too much about this because this is pretty much given to us. And we'll figure out later how to do each one, but yeah, let's do this for now. Now, the Augular family is hosting their annual wine festival, and they asked you to build a web page for the event schedule. Use your knowledge of HTML to display a table to the attendees. You can preview the final version here. Now, let's begin. All right. Gonna skip that, and then okay, in index.html, inside of the div element that has the attribute class container, create a new table element. So we'll go ahead and create our table right here. Pretty straightforward. It's just the table tags. All right. And then inside of the table elements, we have to add a section for the headings using the t-head element. So we'll go ahead and add in t-head right here and a closing t-head right here. Done. Okay. Inside of the first table row element from task 2, wait, what? Oh, it says add two rows. Oh, sorry, it says add 2 rows. I completely missed that, but we will do it. tr /tr. Okay, perfect. Okay, inside of the first table row element, add a table heading element. Inside of that, include an h1 with the following text: Wine Festival Schedule. Okay, so I'm guessing we add a table heading, and then inside of that, we can simply just have an h1 says Wine Festival Schedule. I think this is right. Let me go ahead. Yeah, that looks right to me. Okay. Let me go ahead and check it here. There's an extra TR inside of the T head to complete the try removing. Okay. Inside of the second row element from task 2, add 2 THs. Okay. So in here, we have to add 2 THs. Okay, so TH. Okay, in the first, add a H2 that says time. So do H2 slash H2 time. Do the same thing here. H2 slash H2. And by the way, if you have no idea what I'm doing right now, or if you cannot follow along with me, make sure to check out the previous videos, perhaps in the playlist. I think that would help you guys out a lot and essentially help you really learn the ropes of HTML. To be wrapped in an H1. Time should be not an H. Make sure you update. How what? It says your code correctly adds the table headings in the second row. However, there is a small issue. According to the instruction, time should not be wrapped in a H2. They are right. Should not be. And it's not, right? I have no idea what this is talking about, by the way. But okay, we're done with that. Next, you may notice that one festival does not stretch across the whole table. Let's fix that. In the opening th elements, we can simply add the col span equals to 2, and that should fix it. Voila. Perfect. And then below the closing t-head tag, a section of the table using the table body elements. So table, you can just simply put a t body like that. And then inside of the table body you created in the previous task, create 5 rows using the table row elements. So 5 rows. So I'm just going to go ahead and create one and just copy and paste for the sake of time. And I think you guys got how we did this so far. So I'm not going to hold you guys any longer than I need to. Inside each row, create 2 cells using the table data elements. The first table data in each row, create 2 cells using the table data elements. Let's do that. Okay. Table data /td. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy. I'm gonna copy these instead of typing it out 5 times. I don't know if that made sense. 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. And we need 2 cells. So we'll have 2 cells right here. Perfect. Okay, now in the first table data in each row should have the attribute class with the value left in each row. Okay. So I should have class equals left. And we can simply just copy paste these into the first ones of each one. Perfect. Next, inside of each of the 5 TD class equals left elements, add h3 elements that include the times of these events. Okay. So I believe it's the first one here. Yeah. Okay. Right here. We will simply have h3 slash h3 right here. And I'll put 12 p.m. So 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., and finally we have the 4 p.m. There you go. And voila. Next, or final task actually, inside of each of the TD elements that does not have a class attribute with the value of left, add add h3 elements that include each of the names of the events. Okay. That sounds good. So we can simply just put h3s here, h3. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy paste this in. It's gonna check off randomly, but what are you gonna do, right? So h3. Why it does that? So dumb, but it's gonna do that. That's fine. Okay. And then I believe it's 2 more. Last one. And perfect. Let's go ahead and run it. And there you go. Yep, there you go. A beautiful wine festival schedule. And that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. If you did enjoy this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.